So friends, if you want to create viral AI miniature cooking videos, then today's video is for you. I'll show you a simple step-by-step method to create professional miniature cooking videos using AI. So make sure to watch this video till the end, because if you miss any step, you might not understand the complete method. Okay, so I'm going to share this prompt template, and you'll find its link in this video's description. It contains prompts for both videos, cooking and construction. Simply, what you have to do is click on the miniature cooking one and copy the prompt, nothing else. After copying the prompt, you have to come to ChatGPT and submit it. Then next, you just have to say here, write me 10 ideas. That's it. After this, you'll get cooking recipe titles and location details. Now, you can pick any topic from these. Like, I liked number 4, so I just typed number 4 in ChatGPT, and ChatGPT will write the prompt for the first scene for you. Now, we will generate a video clip from this. Simply, you have to copy the first scene prompt and come to Google Flow. Before generating the video or image, select the ratio settings, then paste the prompt and click on the Submit button. So, the video rendering will take a little time, and then your first clip will be ready. Now, save this clip on your laptop. Then, if you are using a mobile, first play this clip and take a screenshot of the last frame, because the second video clip will start from where clip 1 ended, and if you are creating it on a laptop, just right-click and save the last frame. Then click on the Next Plus button, upload this screenshot, and click on Add to Prompt. Now, again, you have to go to ChatGPT and just type Next. Then it will write the prompt for the second clip. Copy it as well, come to Google Flow, paste it, and generate the second clip too. So, this is the result of the second clip. Now, just like before, save this clip and take a screenshot of its last frame, upload it to Google Flow, and again go to ChatGPT to get the motion prompt written for it. I mean, once you generate the first video clip, you will take a screenshot of its last frame, and then at the end of every next clip, you will take a screenshot and upload it, because your video location will remain the same and you will get a professional look without changing any data of the image or clip. So, you have to generate all the remaining clips in the same way. And after this comes the video editing process. Import all the clips into CapCut and split and delete the ending part of each clip. Like, if a clip is 10 seconds long, cut the last second. Or if the video has a glitch somewhere or is not generated properly, cut that part so your video becomes smooth. And in the end, do the color correction and export the video. And friends, I have made this method very easy, so don't forget to subscribe to the channel.